For this series in Spacecraft Guide, we are going to focus on the Space Shuttle. We're going to concentrate on the flight instruments to teach you how the astronauts flew the Space Shuttle in flight and in orbit. In this issue of Spacecraft Guide, I am going to continue my work on teaching you how to fly the Space Shuttle. And again, we're still focusing on the primary flight display, which is right over here. And what we are going to work on today is the Orbit PFD button. And when you click on this instrument, it takes you to the primary flight display page, and we are going to go down here back to the flight instrument menu, and the button we're going to work on is this one right here, the Orbit Primary Flight Display button. And when you click on that button, it'll take you to the Orbit Flight Display button. So this is what the button is here. You can see this is in, they call it a cyan, a light blue. This means that it hasn't been selected yet. Remember, white is selected. This means that you can use it. Now, this button, the Orbit Flight Display button, activates the display that consists of an indicator giving insight into the attitude of the spacecraft in orbit. So this button here is going to tell you what's going to be on this display. But it's very interesting here. It says that it's only the attitude of the spacecraft in orbit. So when we go back to that, that'll just show you what you are in orbit and your orientation towards the spacecraft, or in this case the Earth. But that's what the Orbit PFD, it's going to be very, very simplified, just the attitude right here in the center. So that is what we have for this week. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and tell all your friends, share it with everybody you want. If you are a Patreon subscriber, even the free Patreon subscriber, and you are in the Orbit PFD, if you click schematic,